All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have this here from TAC. This is their new matte finish screen protector for the iPhone 15. As you can see here, it is the matte finish screen protector. It comes in around 29 bucks or so. So I'll be sure to link it down in the description with my link. But what's really nice about this, it's a high-end 9H hardness screen protector, tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone, but it is matted finish, which I really love the feel and texture of as well. And inside the packaging, we get some, dust stickers here and stuff like that. We do get an alignment tool, which I really appreciate as well. And then it does come with one screen protector in here. So as you can see, it's got a bezel around it, as you can see with the video right there. So I should have flipped that over. But that's the look there, and we'll get it slapped on. And then that's pretty much it. So pretty simple when it comes to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my screen around here, and I'm going to clean the phone screen up real quick. So let me do that real fast and I'll be right back. All right. So now that I got that all cleaned up, now I'm going to use the dust absorber sticker here and just get some of the little fuzzies that I probably missed. Doesn't leave any residue behind, but you definitely want to kind of go through and just double check you do a good job with this, because I've definitely installed screen protectors before and kind of had to peel it back and all that because I missed something. So, take your time with this. For video purposes, I'm going to make it quick, but looks like it's pretty clean, so we're good there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the alignment tool on here. So there we go. And then let's grab the tempered glass screen protector here, and let's put it on. So pretty simple, shouldn't be very difficult. Just gonna kind of just slap it on there, take that off, and let it do its job there. All right, and that's all she wrote, guys. So pretty simple install. I had to play around with it just for a minute. As you can see there, I still missed a stupid little speck of whatever that I can lift this up and kind of play with that and get that out. But it was a pretty easy install for the most part though. And one thing that I like about it is, like I said, it's a matted finish. So it's very like a dull look there. Fingerprints really aren't an issue, but having that matted finish looks really cool and doesn't affect the colors when you're looking at it on the screen, especially if I kind of crank it up a little bit. But it's just that matted finish just a little bit, but looks pretty cool. And some people like matte finish screen protectors, some do, some don't. But with TAC, they make some high quality ones nevertheless. So I think it looks pretty good, and it's a full screen, as you can see there, and does a really good job where the dynamic island is as well. So doesn't interfere with anything. Like if I do my face unlock, completely fine. And as you can see, I'm able to scroll through, no issues at all. I can go into, settings and play around with those as well. So once again, no issues at all with the responsiveness. It feels really good, and actually feels much better in my opinion than the ceramic shield traditional screen that comes with the iPhone originally. Just feels a little bit smoother to me, or at least to the touch. I've never been a fan, for whatever reason, of the ceramic shield. So there you go, guys. For the money, not a bad deal. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.